There's a couple of reasons. One is the materials we were using, first galvanized, then copper, and now even some of the newer PEXs. They don't always deal well with the minerals that are in the soil here. So sometimes it's actually the dirt under the foundation chemically reacting with the pipes. Typically copper or galvanized will have a lot more of that than the newer PEX stuff will. But even some of the PEX fittings can be affected by that. The bigger culprit in this part of the world is that our ground is never solid. It is always moving. It's solid when you stand on it, but anyone who's gone outside in the summer and realized that it looks like there's crevices all over their front lawn, and then it rains for 2 straight days and you have a mud puddle in your front lawn because the water won't go anywhere. All of that causes the ground to move. So our homes, especially the homes built on slab foundations, the dirt underneath them and the home itself are always moving. And if I take that water line and I'm already letting it touch materials that it's not a huge fan of, and I'm moving it around a lot, it's going to leak at some point.
ABC Home and Commercial Services.